Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to the three-dot menu in the top right. This gets you where Extensions live. Once done, choose More Tools and then Extensions so you can see every installed add-on. Make sure you're in the profile that has the Bing extension because extensions are profile-specific. This saves time and prevents removing the wrong items. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate the Bing extension card in the list so you can act on it. Now locate the Bing extension entry and inspect its name and publisher to confirm it's the one you want gone. You can toggle it off to disable immediately if you want to test behavior, but to fully get rid of it, click Remove and then Confirm in the dialog. This deletes its files and settings for that profile. Once you remove it, restart Chrome so background process is clear and changes take effect. If it returns, it often means a companion app or policy is To finish, verify there are no leftover traces by checking Chrome, / extensions and your search engine settings. Remove Bing from search engines if present and fix any modified shortcuts. If the extension reappears, make sure no companion program is reinstalling it. Check installed programs, startup apps, and Chrome policies via Chrome / policy. If policies or stubborn software persist, use Chrome's reset settings or run a reputable anti-malware scan to remove persistent components. One troubleshooting tip: if enterprise policies block removal, contact the administrator or remove the policy from the system registry carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.